doing is I'm taking and putting in some lightening holes in my sliding drawers just to lighten them up. And since most of this carries big stuff, I'm not worried about it falling out. So I'll do 8 holes per side and probably 4 in the back, and that'll lighten it up quite a bit. Okay, this one is done. Just got to sand the edges a little bit, as you can see at both sides and in the back. And right now, this is the bigger of the two, and this is lighter than that. I'm only taking out a pound and a half maybe, but multiply that by 10 and it adds up. So I'm going to keep going. I've got 10 sections, 5 drawers to do, and I'll be getting them all done soon. And I'm going to do some more lightening in the closet area. Here's what the set looks like when you're done. Lots of holes. Right here I'm going to get some flat aluminum and make a couple U's to go over this, so I won't have to reach way back in there to grab that second one. When I pull this one out, this one will come with it. Save me a little time. So anyway, that's what they're going to look like. This with the holes in it is about the same weight as this without the holes. A little bit of routing here.